we're starting off with a fresh, blank website, and we're met with just this white screen. Up at the top, starting at the left, with the plus sign, we have the option to add elements. And if we click that, we see this pane pop up on the left, and we have things like sections, rows, elements, global sections, section templates, the widget marketplace, the ability to add an online store, pre-built sections that the software offers for us that we can grab and simply click and drag directly onto the website and edit. We have the option for different buttons, social media icons, countdown timers, the ability to add images, and even progress bars. We'll get to more of each of these options later. Then we have the layers option, which shows us the different layers that have been added to the page, and we can select and edit those. We can see the different pages that exist within the website. If we want to navigate between the different pages without exiting the editor, we can pull up and add any header or footer tracking codes for things like Google Analytics or Facebook Pixels or any other tracking codes that we would like to add. We can add custom CSS coding if we want to have custom styles to the website. We won't cover those in this tutorial. We can take a look at the typography that will be automatically applied to the site when we add things like text and edit those. We can also edit text in other sections. We can edit the background, changing the background color for a pre-existing one or adding a custom one if we want to add a custom one, or even a background image where we can upload our own or select from stock images by clicking the button and looking at different backgrounds available, as well as some stock providers like Unsplash, where we can search for themes across both of the providers and select any one of these images to use a background image instead of a color. We can add a pop-up to the site, edit the SEO metadata, preview any custom CSS codes that we've applied, and even control our cookie consent if we choose. In the middle of the page, we have the option for a drop-down that takes us back to the Pages section if we'd like to navigate to a different page without leaving the editor, and switch between the desktop and mobile modes and make edits specific to each mode. On the right, we have the ability to see any version changes, so we can see the different versions of edits and revert if necessary, undo changes, redo changes, or select a slider to pull up specific customization options within each individual element. We can preview the site with the edits that we've applied, save, and eventually publish once we're ready to make the page live.